Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, after a long wait, the northern region of Tamale in Gurugu area, the institute behind us has been complete. A dream came true today, not just for prayer space, to bring the community together.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah.
The more together we become, the stronger we are, subhanallah. And that's how the sunnah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is. We should all come together. And these children with me, as you can see, they're all smiling. They're so happy. They will have access to education. And every child should have access to education, no matter what they are, no matter what color, what country, what region they live in. All these children around the world as well should have access to education. And we, the Human Relief Foundation, HRF, have provided this institute for them, for the region of Gurugu. I want you to come forward, if you haven't yet, so that we can build more institute, more mosque, more school, more clinic, and provide more clean water for the people of Tamale, inshallah. And I hope you will come forward. Yes? Yes, inshallah.